Hi friends, welcome to Cozy Crack channel. In this video I will show how to create a stunning logo by using Stylar.ai. So we will go to the tutorial about how to create a logo. Before go to the video, please visit my YouTube channel and share it to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Let's go to the video. Please follow the steps to create a logo, 3D logo. First go to Stylar.ai and click new project. So there are so many aspect ratio, you have to select 1:1 and apply. There are so many options are there: import images, text to image, image to image, generative fill, face kit. So in this video I have to I already create a logo that will be called as a raw logo. So I will convert into 3D logo. So I will go to the image to image option. So I will select the image to image. So after this one I have to drag and drop my file. So I click or drag here to upload images. Click this one. I will select my file, open. So I will drag and drop and then I ensure my logo is center on the screen. So after this one I have to click the auto prompt because in my logo I ensure that the letter will be present as I am, and then the word will be shown below the logo, that will be called as a Madi, that is a brand, that is my brand name. So I will click the auto prompt. It will give the information about the logo. The image features a black background with a blue and red logo that reads Madi. The logo has an elegant crown. Okay, all these elements are here. So after this one I will enter my brand name as a Madi. Okay, and then I will go to the style format. There are so many options are there: realistic, low, simple. So first I have to click realistic. So I have to adjust the structure matches here 0.9. Click stylize. It looks so cool. I will select the image, I will select the logo which is satisfied with me. So I will select this one, and then I will go to the another style option, low, simple. So I will increase the style intensity as a 0.7 and click stylize. It looks so cool. Okay, so I will select this one, and then I will go to another option, to the scene design, illustration design, steampunk fusion. Click stylize. Oh, this is wonderful because it will have the M letter and then crown is there and Madi is there. So I will select this one. It is also good. I will select these two files in this steampunk fusion, neon futurism. Okay, let's select this one. So you have to increase the style intensity. It will give some more attraction to the logo. Stylize. It looks so perfect. But a letter is misspelled here, so I will deselect it. So this is good. This is also good, and I will go to some other design. I will select this one. I will increase the style intensity as a 0.8 and stylize. So different. So I will select this one. Oh, super. And I will go to another option style here. I will select this one, flamenco dance. Flamenco dance. Up to your satisfaction, you have to try all of the styles. Select this one, expand icon, stylize. It is also good, yeah. Simple design, very attractive one. So then I will go to other options, other miniatures, Stylar.ai, so cool. Select this one, black and white old school. I try this one. Yeah, it looks so good. Select only one file here, and majestic logo. I will try this one. It is also attract. So this file is so attractive than another. So I will select this one. This is also well. So after this one, I will go to other option, Battlecraft, miniatures, pastel art. So it's enough, and then I will go to other styles, abstract art. I will try this one, Stylar.ai. Wow, very beautiful. So it will having some attractive colors are there. I will select all the 4 files here, and then I will go to glass world. It's also beautiful. I will select this one. It's enough for me. Colorful felt. It's also good. I'll select this one, this one, and then I will go to other option, inflatable balloon, Stylar.ai. So the logo is full made up of balloon. Yeah. Select this one, and I will select this one. So approximately 24 styles are there. I select 24 styles of logo by using this Stylar.ai. You have to place on canvas all the file, put into the canvas, and then you have to export. Click the export, and then it will have the option of zip and download 25 layers. You have to select this one. You have to extract this one. All the 25 files are there. So I think this video is very helpful to you how to create your logo by using Stylar.ai. So it is very easy compare with using Photoshop and CorelDRAW or some Adobe Illustrator. Please follow my channel and subscribe and share it to your friends. Thank you for visiting my channel. Thank you once again.